Welcome to Lopez Island. Of all the San Juan Islands, Lopez is truly the most unique. It's like stepping back in the past with all the old farms, hay fields, sheep and cattle pastures, and open views to the surrounding waters and snow-capped mountains. Lopez Island is known as the Friendly Island as everyone waves to each other. We're also recognized as the Bicycle Island because of its gentle terrain with no major hills. Kayaking is another popular activity, and the island also has excellent restaurants. We're located between the ferry landing and the village, directly across from the Lopez Vineyards. Lopez Farm Cottages and Tent Camping is a 30-acre facility designed for a small but special market, couples and singles. Our gourmet tent camping is for campers seeking a quiet, peaceful experience. Our tent sites are private and are in a peaceful wooded or pastoral setting. Each site is unique and is shielded from neighboring sites by trees, foliage, and distance. At your campsite, you'll find a level area for pitching your tent, a hammock, 2 Adirondack chairs, and a small table. For an extra special treat, check out our camp nests, where your tent is already set up for you on a platform with carpeting, queen futon with memory foam topper, flannel sheets, and cozy comforter. There's a camp building with private bathrooms and hot showers. We have the only campground with showers on Lopez Island. The building also has a fireplace, picnic tables, charcoal barbecues, and a microwave. Morning coffee is complimentary. Our guests come to relax and unwind, to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, engagements, and honeymoons. We hope to see you soon.